Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am solving this math Olympic problem without using calculator. So let's find out the solution. As our equation is square root 21 minus square root 120 is equals to question mark. So let's find out the solution. So now I'm let square root of x minus square root of y, that is equals to whole square root 121 minus square root 120. So now square root of x minus square root of y, that is equals to 121 is 11 square root minus 120 is, I'm told that 4 into 30 is 120, square root again, so square and square root cancelled out. Our remainder term is 11 minus 4 into 30 square whole square root of x minus square root of y. So as you saw, this is multiplier term, so equation is square root of a into b, that is equals to square root of a and square root of b. So this means that the equation is 4 into 30, that is equal to square root of 4 and square root of 30. This means this is 2 square root of 30, square and square root cancel, 2 into square root 30. So this means our equation will be square root of x minus square root of y, that is equals to 11 minus 2 into square root of 30 whole square root. So now I'm both sides squaring. I'm using both sides squaring to eliminate this square root. Square and square root cancel it out, and this term is a minus b whole square. So this equation is a minus b whole square, that is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this means that x square root square minus 2 into square root of x and square root of y plus y square root and all square and square root cancel, square and square root cancel, and this term is 11 minus 2 square root of 30. This means our equation is x minus, both have different square root, and I'm arranging this xy into a single square root plus y, that is equals to 11 minus 2 square root of 30. So this means that x, I'm rearranging this equation, x plus y minus 2 square root of xy, that is equals to 11 minus 2 square root of 30. I'm conclude that if x plus y, that is x plus y here, that is equals to y equal, and minus 2xy, that is equals to minus 2 square root 30. In the result of comparing, we conclude x plus y, that is equals to 11, and minus 2 square root of xy, that is equals to minus 2 square root of 30. So this term here positive goes opposite sign negative. Y is equals to 11 minus x. So now if I'm divided by 2 here, minus 2 here, and minus 2 here, we conclude that minus 2 cancelled out, and final result is that square root of xy, that is equal to square root of 30. I'm squaring both sides, square root cancel, square root cancel. So remainder is xy, that is equal to 30. So as we know the y value, y is equals to 11 minus x. Now put here x into 11, y is 11 minus x, that is equal to 30. So now our equation is x into 11 is 11x minus x into x is x square, that is equal to 30. So if this term is positive, goes opposite negative. So if I'm rearranging the equation, x square plus 11x minus 30, that's equals to 0. So I'm now minus 1 common here, x square plus 11x minus plus not minus here, and this term is also sign change plus, that is equal to 0, divided by minus 1, divided by minus 1, minus 1 cancelled, and resultant is x square minus 11x plus 30, that is equals to 0. So now this is pure quadratic equation and I'm using factorization method. So the equation factor is x square minus 6x minus wait a second minus not minus 5x that is equals to minus 11, and 6 into 5 is 30 plus 30, that is equals to 0. Now I'm common minus x here, and x minus 6 remainder, and now my common minus 5 here, x minus 6 remainder, that is equals to 0. So if I'm common minus 6 here, minus 6 here, so our remainder is x minus 5, that is equals to 0. This may conclude that x minus 6, that is equals to 0, or x minus 5, which is also equals to 0. This term minus here goes opposite in positive, x is equals to 5, or this term negative goes opposite mean positive, x is equals to, this term is minus goes opposite side mean positive is 6, and this term is minus 5 here and goes opposite 5. We have two answer. I'm recall the let equation where y is equals to 11 minus x here to find out the value of y. So y will be, y is equals to 11 minus x is 6, y is equals to 5 here, and y is equal to 11 minus x is 5, y is equals to 6 here. Now I am conclude that x is greater than y, so this term is rejected. So I may accept x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 5. Now put the main equation. Now I'm conclude that now put the value of that is equals to this term. Now put the value of x and y here. So our x is square root of x minus square root of y. So that is our final answer. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.